Breaking news for all pioneers. Is the second phase of Mainnet migration already in motion? We just spotted some major transactions on the blockchain, and it looks like fresh accounts are getting created and locked Pi is being distributed again. Let's break it down. So let's take a look at the raw data. So here's what we're seeing on the Pi blockchain right now. So under the Pi Card team wallets, the Pi Foundation number 2, as you can see, the total out is around 16 million in the last 24 hours. And if we click this address, as you can see here, multiple new accounts are being created by Pi Foundation 2. So each one is receiving claimable balance, and some are locked for 14 days, some, as you can see, 100 or 1061 days. So these operations, you can see, they are just recent, and here you can see this was created 2 seconds ago. So let's take a look at these transactions. So Pi Foundation is the source account, and as you can see, this wallet has a claimable balance of 82.98 Pi, which is around $52.84, and this should be claimed in 14 days. This is the initial migration grace period, so which ensures token security before being usable. And then here there's locking for 197 days. So some are, as you can see, locked for 14 days, so which means they didn't set up a locking or lockup ratio in their Pi account. So the presence of these claimable balances shows that Mainnet smart contract functionality is active and used. So this is likely an official phase 2 migration process, or maybe the first migration phases, either for users who passed KYC later or for internal foundation purposes. So what do you think? Is this the official second migration or the first migration? Comment below. I'll keep tracking these blockchain movements daily, so make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future updates.